Here's another video of the 1989 Chrysler's TC by Maserati. I'm going to start her up again. All the power features on this car work. As you can see, those are the rear power windows. They do go all the way down and all the way up. Front power windows as well. Work with no issue. Power door locks. Power mirrors. All the power seat functions work on the driver's seat and the passenger seat. Radio works.
Help protect yourself with the Prevnar 13 pneumococcal 13 valid conjugate vaccine. Diphtheria CRM 197.
Power antenna works.
Prevnar 13 is approved for pneumonia. Prevnar 13.
There's the power antenna. It's also got a power trunk release that works as well, which is right here. Had to find it. Air conditioning and heat work without issue. Air blows nice and cold. Again, you can see the RPMs are consistent and even. Oil pressure is good. Lights work, no problem. Now I'm just going to get out and do a general pan around the car. Seats are in good shape and comfortable, no rips, tears, wrinkles or otherwise. No issues. Paint is gorgeous, nice and shiny. Wheels are without blemish as well. And the car runs and drives really well. I've taken it on several trips and never had any issues with it. Also ships through all the gears as it should. And with this car you get the soft top, a hard top, or of course convertible as you choose. So you have many options. This video also is being shot on August 31st, 2021. Next attempt to do a short driving video. Stay tuned.